Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to describe what to check before you buy a used car in Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, many people buy used cars because new cars are often more expensive. But used car market has many hidden issues and you should always check for them. Because in case you don't check properly, it could hit you harder than your anticipation. Okay. So the very first thing you should go if you're going for the used car market is to design, or I should say formulate or decide your budget correctly. Your budget should include your car price, tax, insurance, registration, safety inspection and repair. Many people spend full budget on car price and later struggle. Then pull out vehicle history report. Always check Carfax report. It shows accidents, mileage history, previous owners, lien status, service records. If seller refuses Carfax, that's a red flag. Check for liens. Liens mean loans is still unpaid. If you buy car with a lien, you may face legal issues. Always confirm lien free. You have to get the body and rust impacted. Okay. Check underbody, wheel wells, door edges, trunk area. Rust repair is expensive and you can always get a trusted mechanic or a licensed mechanic to do this. It may cost you small amount, but the valuable report you will get, it's always gonna be good. Okay. If you're going for the drive properly on city roads, highway bumps. Listen for noise. Okay. Also check for the dashboard warning lights. Okay. Check heating and AC. Okay. How good they are working. And ask about maintenance records. Okay. And as I have said, get a third party mechanic to inspect. Don't trust on the mechanic that your seller is providing you. Instead, get a third party mechanic who has no interest in the transaction so that he can independently review the car and give you the proper report. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel.